What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Makeup Mondays with Nikki. It's your girl Nikki here, back to you with another makeup tutorial video. I hope you guys like it. Today I decided to go with a brown type of style to match my clothes and earrings that I was wearing today. As you can see, a little bit of brown on my pocket. And if you want to know who this was, my little girl right here, my 1-year-old. And I'm pregnant again, due in 2 more months with my last one. And my other child, my son, oldest son, who's 5, he's in the house right now. But enough jibber jabber. Let's get right down to the video, shall we? Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my face, full face, and my eyeliner and mascara, brows and everything, and one side of my eye all ready for you to give you a little demonstration of what you're going to see. So to get started, I'm going to be again using my 16 color eyeshadow palette that's from LA Colors. Okay, so what I went ahead and did first is I used this brush. I'm not sure what it's called, but I went straight to this third color right here, this light white looking cream color, and I just placed that on top, under my eyebrow bone. So I just put a bit on it, and I went under my eyebrow bone. And this is new to me because it's a new style, so I just went at it. Whether I did it wrong or not, but either way it looks pretty to me. So, okay, so I put a little bit right there. Then I went and took my crease brush, and with my crease brush, I went to this dark color of brown right here. And I just add a little bit on there because I want it a little dark on my crease. And you can already tell there's a lot of contrast from that light up there by that brow bone, and then to this crease right here with this dark brown, a light color and a dark color. So I went ahead and went to my eyelid. In this corner right here I have black and then a light brown. So with this black right here, this black right here, I'm going to put on the outer part. And this little shade of brown right here, it's kind of light but glittery like gold, I put that on the inner part. So I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't want to look like gothic, so I only dabbed a little bit on there, and I didn't go the whole eyelid. I went to the outer part and I just started tapping. And some people use Scotch tape as a tip to help keep it in, but me, I just went with it. And plus I didn't have no Scotch tape with me at the time. But I went ahead and dabbed a little bit right there. And I did it a second time to make sure I get the whole part that I wanted to get as well. Alright, since I did that, I flipped to the opposite brush so it wouldn't clash together. And I went ahead to a gold looking color. And again, I did not go over it too much, except that the inner part and the middle part is where I went over. But when I got close to the black part, I kind of dabbed it in so it wouldn't smudge, if you know. Alright, that's kind of looking the same, as you can tell. So all I did, lastly what I did was, I took my crease brush again, I wiped it off, and I took a little bit of this white right here, and you see why it's kind of sparkly right there and sparkly right there. I just dabbed a little bit on it, and went on the inner part of my eye. I didn't go past that corner. One on the inner part and dab a little bit, And then after that, I went back to the brush that I used for under my brow line right here, this brush. And what I did is I blended in a little bit upward so it kind of meet up with the brow bone color right there, as you can see. Right there. That's what I did. And I just kind of blend it in. So that's what I did right there. And that is my eye color, because they match pretty good to me with the gold and the black and the dark brown on my crease and that light right under my brow bone. But that right there is my eyes. Next is my lipstick. I'm not doing a lip liner because I was trying to find brown colors. I couldn't find no black lip liner or no light or dark brown lip liner at the store when I went and bought this. But oh, I'll end up finding some. And also my face looks like this because all I did was wash my face. My CoverGirl matte palette powder kind of cracked, so I couldn't in time for this video buy any until the next time I get money on my hands. So for the next video I will have the powder and my face will look a lot better. But I think that my eyes look good, even though I ain't got the powder on my face. But you guys comment and let me know. What I had bought was brown color from LA Colors. It's a brown, as you can see. And the shade of it says CML 506 Adored. I don't have any lip liner, so if I only have lipstick and I don't have lip liner, I just only put a little bit on there so it won't go all overboard, you know, like that much. But make sure you can see it. That's a pretty color. When it hits my lips, it's a pretty color. Alright, so I'm done with that. And for the final result, here's my eyes and my lips. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial that I did for the first time. And it's not clumsy as the last one, thank heavens. But I will see you guys next Monday on my next video. So just go ahead, like and subscribe, and comment down below what type of makeup you want me to do, what type of colors on my eyes you might want me to do, or on my lips that I might look nice in. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.